So analysis on our pound card. Please, if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Now you can see on our pound, as we can see, first of all I want to show you that our pound index, we can see we are actually dropping, ranging downward on our pound index, right? So one thing I have seen here is that there's every possibility our pound will actually go bullish a little bit, then a drop on our pound index. So that is exactly what I am seeing here. Our pound index go bullish a little bit, then a drop. There's every possibility we might not hit this our trend line up, this our downward trend line up that we just highlighted, but we would want to be seeing a bullish move a little bit upward before you actually get a drop. Now on our pound card, exactly what I am looking at, a little bit of a bullish move, then a drop on our pound card. The reason is that we can see, or if you are to analyze it, we are actually falling on our pound, by the way. So we have actually been falling. It will be a very dangerous mistake, or decision to actually take our buy position. So if you are to take your buy position, our advice, wait for a sell, wait for a short, because we will be going more short. We will actually be shorting more of our pound. Our pound will actually be falling than rising. But before you actually see that rise, I think would actually be going bullish before you actually now see that fall. So if you have to take your trade on our pound card, we have to actually sell this our pound card, but wait till you get that signal or position to actually sell our pound card. So that is the analysis for the week.